Hi friends, welcome to your infotech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. In this video session, I'll design one farm here. So how to design a HTML farm using this Photoshop. So go to this Photoshop and here I created the new file. Go to this file, click on this new. Now you can choose this preset custom and provide a height, width and resolution. So with that provide this 1920, I'll take this 1080, resolution 200 and click on this OK. We created the new file. After creating the new file, first step we need to do double click on this layer get unlocked. Now I created one shape there. So select this rectangle. Now here I use one shape. Now for this shape, go to this effects or else click on this color picker. Color picker will be open here. Now similarly I'll do the same. I'll use Alt button to make a copy. Now for this one, I'll change it to pink. Now we created the new shape here. Now we can give the equal space, drag the ruler. Now we can also drag the ruler there. Now select this shape one, make it here. Now if you want to give this some equal space, draw this rectangle. Same rectangle you can give. Now we can adjust this one. Select this shape, we can adjust this here. Now remove this shape tool. Remove the shape tool. Now I created these two shapes. Now just adjust this towards the start. After that, I create one more rectangle box. Select this rectangle. Drag this rectangle here. Now select this shape tool. Now use this control transform. Reduce this height there and click on this shape. Now for this one, double click on this one, make it to gray color. Now you can import one image. Import image there. Go to this file, click on this place option, select image and click on this place here. Now click on this image. Now if you want to place this image inside of this shape, select this image, right click on this one, create clipping mask. Now you can place image inside of this shape here. Use this control transform and reduce the size. Hold the shift and alt button, select any edge of the corner, reduce the size. And click on the center. Now we place this image there. Now for this image, I'll apply some gradient overlay. select this rectangle and you can draw this rectangle there. Now you can adjust this one using this smooth tool. You can adjust this one here. Now for this rectangle, go to this effects. Go to this effects. Select the shape plate. Go to this effects. Apply this gradient overlay. Now we can go to this one. This time I'll select this default one. Select the colors part one. Now click on this OK. And click on select colors part two. So for this one, I'll make it pink. And click on this OK here. Click on this OK. Now click on this OK. Now here, I'll reduce this opacity for this one. Like this. Now I'll just drag this shape ring and make a copy. Use the Alt button. Now I can adjust this one and click on the center. Now remove this gradient. Now increase this opacity. Just now for this one, I will make it to white color. Now look at this. Now for this here, I don't want this white, and you can make it to light green. Now we need to place some text here. So for this one, I'll make one group here. Now for this shape, I'll make one more group. And here we can write login form. Select this text and we can write the login form. Select this text. Select the shape tree. Now select the move tool. I will make it to center. Now I just adjust towards the population and just increase the size. Double click on this one, it will be selected. It will be selected and sorry, double click on this text here. Text will be selected and increase the size, increase the font size for this one. And use this move tool, we can adjust towards this, towards the left position. Now we can use this rectangle tool. We can draw this rectangle and make it to white color. Click on this one. Now I'll make a copy. Select the shape board. Use Alt button. Make a copy here. Now we need to write some text here. Select this text and select this group tool. Replace some text here like no. Select this text, reduce its size, reduce its size and reduce the opacity. Use this mode tool, we can adjust this one. Now I'll just drag, make it patient. Now select this text tool, make a copy, use Alt button. Now for this one, just type email and again you can type on this text, copy Now we click on this one, it will be selected. This time I will type password. And use this Control H to remove this. Now I created this login form. We need to create a button there. Use this rectangle. Draw a rectangle there. Now you can choose here. Click on this one. Now I can adjust this one using this move tool. You can adjust. Select this shape. We can adjust here towards the down position. I need to write here login. Just type login. For this login, select this text, make it to white. Click on this OK. Select this login and shape pipe. We can make select this move tool and make an insert center and vertically set. Now look at this. We created this login form. So like this, we can create a login form using this Photoshop. You can save the file with Ctrl Shift S. Save the file with form, and always we can save the file within PSD file. Why? Because you need to add enhancement, like you need to add more changes, you need to add more styles for this one. In the future, you need to add, you need to edit this one. So you need to save this one in the PSD file. Click on the save here. So after that, I'll just save this one as a JPG format. So use this Control Shift S. Then go to this format, select this JPG, and click on this save. Click on this OK. Now it will be saved in your system. Go to your system. Now let me open this. Now we created this login form.